Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Easy DIY here with another video. If you're new, please kindly subscribe. In this video today, all I'm gonna explain is an issue with the steering wheel control button. And if you don't know, this is an aftermarket steering wheel control button I've installed in this car. This is a 2010 Toyota Corolla LE. It doesn't come with steering wheel control. I installed it in for my Android radio, but one of the button is not working. The left side buttons are working, the volume, next, mode, they're all working, but this other button over here for receiving calls, display voice, these buttons are not working. And in this video, this is how I want to show you on how to resolve the issue with the buttons not working. And if I come to my Android radio, see what I mean? If I press see the volume is pressing, but if I want to receive call with this button, it's not work. It doesn't work. And let me show you what I mean. If I go to the steering wheel control and try to program, you can see I was able to reprogram this one. But when I say I want to program this other button for answering call, if I say answer and press this guy, it doesn't work. See, it's not picking up anything. So that is what I want to show you on how to resolve it today. And if you're my subscriber and you bought this steering wheel control, you've installed it, because I had some people who has also messaged me and said it's not working for them, you are the one I'm trying to help today. And if you're also planning to install something like this into an Android radio, this is what I want you to be aware of, that this button might not work, but let me show you on how to fix it. So to do that, what we're going to do is to open up the panel of the radio quickly, and I'll be popping the sides. So you see, pop up the side. You see, easy, just pop it up. Okay. Now, once I put the radio out, I'm going to show you some steering wheel, the harness I'm talking about. So I have a lot going on here, so please bear with me. What I'm looking for is you have this one here is for your power. Where you see this other one, this 6-pin harness here, this is the one I want to show you. You're going to disconnect this guy, this one, and I'll show you what to do. This other 6-pin. So I'll disconnect this guy. Now this is what I want to show you. This is 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then what's the, I'll turn it this way, and that's this white wire. This white wire here is the one causing. That's the pin 4 right here. See the pin 4? That is a telephone mute wire. So all I'm just gonna trace it back is to this Android side. Which wire is that pin 4? And I'm only gonna snip it. So now if I come here and say which of the wires my pin 4, that's what I'm gonna look out for. So if I plug it in this way, since 1, 2, 3, 4, this wire right here, this wire, this orange and black wire here, that's my pin 4, and I'm just gonna do snippet. I'm just gonna cut it off, and that should help it to work. So this orange and black wire for my car, for your radio might be a different wire, so you just need to do snip it off. See, I just snipped off that wire. That's the telemute wire, and I'm gonna plug my radio back now and show you. So I'm gonna snip the wire off. There's no connection going in there anymore. Now before I put everything back, let's try the radio and go back and try to reprogram this and make sure everything works. So if I go back to the same steering wheel control, let's try and restart. Let's do announcer key and come here and say which one. Bam, that worked. You see that? I just press it. So let's go to drop core. Let's go to reject core. Let's click on that and come here and say, hey, I'm rejecting. Bam, you see that? That works too. So let's go to voice. Do I want to do something like a voice? All right, voice right here. Let me choose voice and then say, see that worked too. So all of my buttons now are working, and this is how easy it is. So I'm gonna hand it, and now I'm gonna show you. I connect my phone to this. Let me connect my phone to this and then do a test call. Back to what I was telling you guys. So easy now. I can call 100 with my phone. Let's call 100. See, starting.
Your call completed as dialed. Please check the number and dial again, or dial 611.
Ended the call. 122. Just
your call cannot be completed as dialed.
Yeah,
please check the number and dial again, or
ended the call. So I'm pressing voice. Okay, Google, call 120.
Sure, calling 120.
Your call cannot be completed as dialed.
See,
please check the number and dial again, or dial.
I hand it, and everything is working fine. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up, and thank you so much for watching today, and I'll see you again next time.